Yes, continue. Application of Arduino.
Okay, ma'am. Arduino has wide variety of applications in education. Teachers and students use it to get started with programming and robotics. Following are some common applications of the Arduino: embedded systems, drones, security and defense system, digital electronics and robotics, weighting machines, traffic light countdown timer, medical instruments, home automation, and industrial automation.
Okay, so as you all know, Arduino stands for, like, why we are using Arduino? Anyone? And special those students who have attended robotics session. What do you mean by Arduino?
Ma'am, it's like CPU.
As like CPU. Then what do you mean by microcontroller? As like motherboard, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Because with the help of Arduino, you will be able to design different kinds of robotics project. Okay, so it's like a hardware and software which provide you the interface for creating different kind of projects related to robotics. Okay, so we are having different kinds of application of Arduino. Means we can use Arduino in embedded system. Now, what is the meaning of embedded system? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
System which are designed for specific tasks, like your computer is designed for different for doing different tasks, but embedded systems are designed to perform a specific task. Okay, next we are having drones. Anyone having idea related to drones? What is the meaning of drones? If you are attending marriages from last 5 or 6 years, then you must have idea about drones.
Yes, ma'am.
You have seen that recorded system in video in marriages, like कुछ आपके सिर के ऊपर उड़ रहा होता है, that is known as drone. Okay,
Yes,
means
ma'am.
आप उस टाइम 24/7 वहां के पूरे एरिया को कवर करते हो लाइव. ठीक है, देन वी आर हैविंग सिक्योरिटी एंड डिफेंस सिस्टम. You very well know the meaning of this system, okay, for security purposes. Then digital electronic and robotics, we have covered this topic in chapter 1 of unit 2. Then weighing machine, traffic lights, medical instruments, home automation and industrial automations. Means many application or in many devices you can use this Arduino. तो अभी जितने भी स्मार्ट प्रोजेक्ट्स डिजाइन हो रहे हैं रिलेटेड टू इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड कंप्यूटर, in all those projects we are using this Arduino software and hardware. Okay, okay, so next Apurva wants to read. After Apurva, Saksham will continue. Yes, Apurva. So next we are having parts of Arduino. Yes, start Apurva. What happened, Apurva? Is not audible. Check your settings. Meanwhile, Saksham will continue. Yes, Saksham, continue.
Arduino contains a number of different parts and interfaces together on a single circuit board. The design has changed through the years and some variation include other parts as well. But on the basic board following pieces are available. Number 1. A set of digital and analog input output I/O pins to connect various components you might want to use with the Arduino. Digital pins can read and write a single state on or off. Most Arduinos have 14 digital I/O pins. Analog pins can read a range of values and are useful for more fine-grained control. Most Arduinos have 6 these analog pins.
Okay,
Number
so if
2.
we have designed any electronic circuit, for that we must have some analog or digital pins, or we can say इनपुट आउटपुट पिंस. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस इनपुट आउटपुट पिंस मीन्स अगर आपको उसमें कनेक्टिविटी प्रोवाइड करनी है, कुछ डेटा सेंड करना है, देन विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस इनपुट आउटपुट पिंस यू विल बी एबल टू कनेक्ट टू दैट डिवाइस. तो आप जो भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिवाइस लोगे या फिर कोई भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स कंपोनेंट लोगे, फॉर दैट वी आर हैविंग दिस input output thing. So these are the mandatory part of any electronic component. Okay, so for digital we are having on or off, means digital we are having 0 or 1. As we all know, like in computer, in any microcontroller, microprocessor, only binary number system is there. So if you want to put some data, it means 1. If you want to off that circuit, it means 0. So only 2 values will be there for any digital input, 0 or 1. And in an analog we are having mostly 6. Now next, who wants to read? Yes, after Saksham, who wants to read? Rudraksh? Okay. Yes, Rudraksh, continue.
From where?
From where? Are you sleeping in the class? Second point, power connector. Page number 63.
A power conductor which provide power to a device itself and also provide a low voltage which can power connected components like LEDs and various sensors. The power conductor can connect to either an AC adapter.
Okay, so the next most important part of any electronic device is power connector. तो अगर उसमें पावर ही नहीं होगी तो उसमें कोई भी फंक्शन परफॉर्म नहीं कर सकते. ठीक है, देन वी आर हैविंग सम LED कनेक्टेड ऑन Arduino board from which you will get idea like if it is on or off. Next we are having microcontroller. Who wants to read? Chanchal. Okay. Yes, Chanchal, continue. Chanchal, unmute yourself. What happened? Anshu, you continue. Fast, Anshu.
Ma'am, from third.
From microcontroller, page number 63. If you want to read, then make sure you are awake here. Don't feel sleepy if you want to read. First, you have to know like from where we are reading. Okay?
Ma'am,
Then only
Yes,
raise your hands for reading.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, now continue from microcontroller.
A microcontroller, the primary chip which allows you to program the Arduino in order to enable it to execute commands and make decisions based on various inputs. The exact chip varies depending on what type of Arduino you buy, but they are generally Atmel microcontrollers, usually ATMGO8, ATMOGAI 168, ATMEGO328, ATMEGIO 1280, or ATMEGA 2560. They have varying amounts of flash memory, pins, and features.
Okay, now tell me what is the meaning of microcontroller? Smaller than computer but functioning is same as computer. Okay, so if you are designing Arduino or if you are designing any project with the help of Arduino, then you must need a CPU or you must need a computer, but that project you are designing for specific purpose. So rather than using a big setup, it's advisable to use only microcontroller because they are small in size and they are cheaper as compared to computer and they have less memory so that you can perform a specific task. So for any project related to Arduino and robotics, we are having microcontroller embed on Arduino board. Okay, so we are having this different kinds of microcontroller using here like 80 mega 8, 80 mega 168, 80 mega 328, 80 mega 280. So these are 1280. So these are some different names of microcontroller we are using in Arduino board. Is it clear? Okay, so next we are having serial connector. Who wants to read?
My
Chanchal? Okay, continue. Yes, Chanchal, continue.
A serial connector, which on most newer boards is implemented through a standard USB port. This connector allows you to
Allows you to
communicate with the board from your computer as well as load new programs onto the device. Oftentimes, Arduinos can also be powered through the
Arduinos.
Arduinos can also be powered through the USB port, removing the need for a separate power connection.
Okay, so serial connector we also having in CPU, from where you can connect keyboard, mouse or pen drives, etc. So all those connectors are known as serial connectors. In similar way, we are having serial connectors in Arduino board so that we can connect different devices to that board for communication. Means if you want to send some data, if you want to collect some data, for that we are having this serial connectors. Next and last part of Arduino board we are having other small components. Yes, Sanchal, you continue. Continue, Chanchal.
A variety of other small components like an oscillator and or a
Oscillators.
voltage regulator which provides oscillator and or a voltage regulator which provide important capabilities
Capabilities
to
to the
the board.
board. Although you typically don't interact with these directly, just know that they are there. Okay, so these are some other components which are mandatory for power management. ऐसा नहीं कि board आपका high voltage ले रहा है फिर वो damage हो गया. So for all those purpose we are having this small components. Okay, next Arduino boards come with a microcontroller in its base. Now I will show you one picture. So there you will get some idea of Arduino boards. Okay, so this is your Arduino diagram. So in this way you are having Arduino boards from where you have reset switch means जहाँ से आप on off कर सकते हो. Then we are having USB connector means जहाँ पे आप पेन ड्राइव या फिर जो भी मीडिया से आपको डेटा देना है या कलेक्ट करना है. फॉर दैट वी आर हैविंग दिस USB कनेक्टर. नेक्स्ट USB इंटरफेस चिप. अब आपने इस पे कनेक्ट तो कर लिया बट वो कनेक्ट होने के बाद डेटा सेंड होगा, रिसीव होगा, वो सब प्रोग्रामिंग किस में की हुई है? इस USB चिप में. नेक्स्ट क्रिस्टल ऑसिलेटर फॉर पावर management. Next voltage regulator. All these are related to small components. Next we are having power port ताकि आप electricity उसको दे सको. Next digital pins for input output. Next LED so that you come to know like your system is on or off. Next microcontroller. So here you can see this is microcontroller for all the processing. तो जितनी भी processing होगी that will be based on this microcontroller only. Like in computer we are having CPU as a brain of your computer. In similar way in Arduino board we are having this microcontroller as a brain. Next we are having analog input pins. Okay, so all the functions, all the parts we have discussed you can see here. Any doubts anyone? So whatever parts we have studied right now all you can see here in this diagram. Now tell me if you are having any kinds of doubt. Anil, what happened? Why you are crying?